Hello friends, followers, customers, and welcome to a little product video. You are driving a TTRS Mark 1 or a RS3 Mark 1, CEPB, CEPA, and you've asked yourself quite a lot of times, what is the biggest possible power level that I can drive on these cars? Here you see it. That's our answer. That's the TC870XT kit, fully tailored to fit the RS3 AP TTRS Mark 1. Heart of the kit is the 870XT. You get a downpipe, charge pipes, our brand new Sport Series intercooler featuring Garrett 900 core, oil water lines, our new turbo inlet pipe 90mm latest production technology, high pressure fuel pump, boost sensors, the new 125mm intake system, and for sure also a very nice tailored engine pack with correct tolerances to fit your engine without any rattle noise, without making any problems, being able to drive way more than 700 horsepower, and a water-methanol system which is necessary to get those cars on a reliable 700 horsepower level. So everything in the kit that you need. If you drive a stock car, open the box, put in all the parts that you get, put in the world record champion, one of the most reliable journal bearing hybrid turbos out there that you can get for your car, make a nice tune, and your car is ready. And for our German customers, we also have TÜV approbation for the TC870XT in the TTRS Mark 1 and in the RS3 Mark 1, as well as in the RS3 Mark 2 CZGB. So if you're interested in one of those kits, we have them in big amounts in stock. Contact us via info@hperformance.de or watch in our new online shop to purchase one of these kits.